Hi, hello, welcome back to Miss Kaos. If you're new to my channel, hi, you're listening to Sukruthi and I make videos on English speaking, phonetics and a lot more of topics. So if you're this content kind of a person, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. So I'm very happy today because we are in our part 4 video of phonetics and we have covered all the sounds. So we are going to start transcribing the words in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into our video. So starting off, we'll start transcribing the first word, which is phonetics. So it has to be transcribed like f, a sound, n sound, a sound, tics, phonetics. And our next word is happy. H sound, a sound, p sound and e sound. Happy. Our very next word is butter. B sound, a sound, t sound and a sound. Butter. Our next word is E-Z-A-M. I used to pronounce this word for a long time like exam, but it is actually exam. Okay, exam. So E sound, G sound, A sound, M sound. So exam. Our next word is nation. N-A-T-I-O-N. N sound, A sound. That's a diphthong. E and I, which comes like that. A sound, sh sound and n sound. Nation. And our next word is church. Ch sound, sound, which we use in earn, turn, all these words. Sound and again ch sound. Church. And our very next word is water. W sound, O sound, T sound, A sound. Water. And our very next word is lecture. L sound, A sound, K sound, Ch sound and A. Lecture. And our next word is salutation. Okay, salutation. S sound, A sound, L sound, U sound, Ya and U, Sh, N, okay, N sound. So, salutation. And the last word, that is the 10th word we are going to transcribe today, is R-E-S-P-E-C-T. So, I used to pronounce this word as respect, okay, respect. But today when I was going to make this video, I was going through all the transcriptions and some words. So I just came through the transcription of this word and that made me understand that it is not to be pronounced like respect, but it is respect. Re sound, okay? Ra sound and E sound, respect. So it's transcribed like R sound, E sound, P sound, K sound and T sound. Respect. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts in transcribing any of the words, please do comment below so that I can transcribe those words for you. And feel free to reach out to me in case of any queries or in need of any notes or something via my Instagram or also through my mail. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this was informative. Thank you so much for watching. So if you have not watched our sounds video, I will give them in the end screen. Go back, watch it and then come to transcription video so that it will be more clear for you. And also today is the first day of our transcription, so it will be new for all of you if you are new. But that's okay. We need to transcribe almost 50 to 100 words so that you will get an understanding what sound is to be used for what words. So it is like, like when you are doing the MCQ questions for grammar, we used to tell, spell and check, like he has so much of things, he has or have. We used to tell and then get the answer. It is like that. These words we try to pronounce in various pronunciation, and which is more suitable we transcribe in that. And also another important thing in transcription, there are two language, like it has British English transcription and American English transcription. You can go for any one, but British is normally used in Indian schools, so I am mostly taking the British transcription. So if anyone has any doubt with American transcription, so feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, much love and take care.